Man, what the heck? What the heck, dude? Having a smoke, bro? You know what I say? Edward, what you thinking about?
Stumped my phone. What's wrong with you?
Oh, sorry. My bad.
3.
Oh.
Park's weird. Yeah.
Where? Oh, that freaking jerk right there? Boy, your car ugly. Ain't no one gonna fit. This room is a mess. Hey. Where are we going, dude? Round Rock Donuts? Do you know what I say?
You know what I say?
Oh, yeah. I don't even know why I got these. Bro, what kind of sick game? This thing is freaking huge. Oh my gosh. No one feels my pain. Bro, let me tell you about some wife beaters. Boy, what the heck? Andy won! No! Tired, bro. Boy, why y'all clowning on me, dude?
The heck did this out the window?
You almost hit us, bro.
I didn't hit anyone.
Wow! It's been a long day. Y'all clowning on me, and I'm just trying to get in the bed, dude.
Oh man, I'm burping up a storm over here.
Boy, it looked like a burp.
I had like a pizza and it just came out my mouth. Oh, what's up?
Oh, you ugly fool!
Hey, shut up.
I put like a elf!
What the heck?
Oh, bro! Oh! Don't mess with me like that, dude. Boni, what the heck was that, dude? Boy, sounded like a dead snake, fool.
Oh, Taco Cabini. Bro, they ain't no Taco Cabana. They have
look like a taco.
dip.
Bro, what the heck?
I want some of my bean dip. Oh, bean.
Yeah, he wants bean dip and spicy nachos. What's up, dude? Put your valuables in there. Ow! You're too excited, bro. What the heck you doing, bro? You ugly. Oh! Hey. Oh. That toe, though. Well, good morning, sir. How was your day? We'll try that again. How was your day, sir?
Dude, it was amazing.
Oh!